Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make these cards for a step infographic in PowerPoint in just 3 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is open up a blank slide and as you can see, I have already put my color palette. Insert a rounded corner rectangle, remove its outline and we're going to insert a circle. We're going to put it on top of this rounded corner rectangle. Select the rectangle and then the circle. Go to shape format and merge and subtract them. Remove its outline, place it right here and adjust its size. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D and select the three of the rectangles. And you're going to give them different colors. So I'm going to use pink and green and dark gray for each of them. The next thing we're going to do is go to Insert tab, Shapes and insert a rounded cornered rectangle of the same width but different length. We're going to give it a white color and we're going to duplicate it and place it on each of the rectangle. We're going to select all of these, three of these rounded corner rectangle, and we're going to align them. The next thing you're going to do is copy your text and along with the icons, and I'm going to just paste them right here. So for this video, because I want it to be a quick process, I'm just gonna paste all of the stuff right here and you can insert the text. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And you can also check out my Patreon for free stuff about PowerPoint, like PowerPoint templates, infographic templates, and other stuff. Now, the next thing you're going to do is only select these rectangles along with the text. You're going to send them to the back. And you're going to send them to the back and move them downwards into the cards. And the next thing you're going to do is select each the icon. And you're going to put them in center and the middle of each of the cards. And let me just adjust their size. Be sure to use the icons of the same size. You can insert these icons from the Insert tab and then go to Icons. Duplicate the template and you're gonna move this white card of the first one upwards. And the next thing you're gonna do is duplicate this template again. You're gonna move the white card of the second shape upwards and the first one downwards. You're going to duplicate the template and you're going to move the third one upwards and the second one downwards of the same size. And for the last one, that was all for you had to do. Now you're going to duplicate the slide and you're going to move the third one downwards as well. Go to transitions, give it morph transition and click on apply to all. So that's all you had to do. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to check out my latest videos and you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.